Alright, 8 weeks old in the bathroom. Quite sure what is so attractive this morning. There you go. Apparently the bathroom is the right place to play red marker hockey. Tux, are you in the goal? A little shaker egg going on. A little yellow cap. Apparently the bathroom is the place to be. It's like the rec center. Oops. This is a lid from some candy that's very popular, but not as popular as the red pen this morning. What are you doing, Tax? Hey, Teddy, you got a red pen? Yeah, he definitely wants to play with it on the ceramic tile. I guess that makes sense, doesn't it? It moves around so much. Look at it go. Good job, Teddy. Oh, I have nothing. I'm just sitting here on my thing. Oh no, you don't do that there, naughty baby.